Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing what waste will become useful and why each stream matters. First, sort plastics, wood, and metal, remove food, adhesives, and liquids. Put on gloves and eye protection and set up a ventilated workspace. Then make the initial cuts, trim edges, shred or break pieces to consistent sizes, and wash them. Drying is crucial for adhesion. Once done, group like materials together and lay out tools so you can work continuously without stopping to search or clean. Now you assemble with intention. Plan a base layer, reinforcement, and a finished surface so the structure carries load and looks finished. Cut pieces to fit, dry fit them, and mark alignment. Apply adhesive or use melting for thermoplastics. If using fasteners, pre-drill and use screws to avoid splitting. Clamp assemblies for the recommended time, typically 15 to 30 minutes, and add reinforcement like mesh or dowels where stress concentrates. Make sure to keep components aligned. Small shifts now create. Finish the piece by sanding to smooth transitions, then seal or coat with paint, oil, or epoxy. Apply 1 to 2 coats and allow full cure. Test the item gently, apply small loads and inspect joints, flex, and wear zones. Increase stress slowly until it meets expected use. If something fails, act quickly. Disassemble if needed, clean bonding surfaces, reapply a stronger adhesive or use heat where appropriate, then clamp firmly. One key troubleshooting tip: when layers separate, rebond under pressure to restore integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.